I am making Valentine nougat. Starting my Valentine candies now. I have 2 half bags of marshmallows. I'm not sure how I got 2 half bags, but I did. But I'm doing this wrong. So first of all, I need to put in my butter. Okay, my butter and my white chocolate chips. And we're gonna go get this started melting. Now, in the meantime, while all that's melting, I am going to start cutting up my Valentine cherry dots. Now, y'all in my other videos told me to use the scissors. So let's see how this works. Ooh, that works great. Good thinking, guys, good thinking. All right. Yep, that's gonna work great. I am offering my Valentine on a Dime ebook for free. I read somewhere that the average guy spends $250 on Valentine's Day. That's absolutely crazy. Go get our Valentine on a Dime ebook. We give you lots of money-saving tips to help you make Valentine's Day frugal and fun. The coupon code and the link is in the description below. Here's how you get it for free. livingonadime.com, click on our shop, click on our ebooks, add it to your cart. When you go to checkout, use the coupon code and you will get our ebook absolutely free with no obligation and no strings attached. Visit us at livingonadime.com. Okay. Ooh. Wow, that's looking great. All right. So now, pour in my marshmallows. Before I finish heating that up, I'm going to get the rest of my dots. You should do this probably before you started heating everything up, but you know me, guys. I just go for it. Here's the fastest way to do it. Hold it by the edges. So here's how you do it. Pick it up by the edges and snip. That's how you do it. Okay, now we're gonna add these back to the microwave and start melting. Perfect. Okay. Now we're going to add in our cherry dots. All right, guys, please comment and let me know, are you a dots lover? Are you a nougat lover? I love the Brach's nougats. And when I found this recipe, I was so excited. I love Brach's nougat. And I can't find it where I'm at. All right, there we go. My goodness, less than 5 minutes. And we have some wonderful Valentine candy. We're gonna let this set up. Be right back and cut it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this. There we go. This recipe is in the description below and on our website at livingonadime.com. And it is my Valentine nougat. Oh, yum. That looks so good. Okay, here we go. Now, I have found, just so you guys know, after testing, oh my goodness, this is probably my 6th or 7th batch of nougat, maybe 8th batch of nougat I've made, that the Nestle's white chocolate chips seem to be the best and the easiest to work with. So if you need a specific brand, I do find those seem to work the best. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Yum. Look at that. Ugh. Okay. So, here we go. Nobody's home to test it. Oh. This stuff is so darn tootin' good. It's not even funny. Mmm. All right, guys, you gotta make the all cherry nougat for Valentine's Day. 10 out of 10. Fudge. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is start softening my white chocolate chips. Then we're gonna add our 1 can of cherry frosting. And then we're gonna go microwave this again for 30 seconds and then stir. And to make it more elf-like, let's see if we can get this redder. I don't know if we can, but we're gonna try. You don't have to, you can keep it. Oh man, that's not making it very red, is it? Red is so hard to get super, super red. Actually, what I would probably do is the melts, instead of the white chocolate, I would use the candy melts, and that would make it redder. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna be a mistake or not. Will this be a mistake? Let me think. Well, let's give it a try. So what I would do is use the red melts next time. But let's just see if we can get this Christmassy red. Out my fudge. By the way, I got this for at a garage sale for $1. There was a restaurant going out of business, and I got all kinds of stuff. I got cooking spray, I got Crisco, I got muffin tin cups. I'll never need muffin cups again. I got, what else did I get? Oh man, I can't remember. I got a whole bunch of stuff. Ah, there, that's better. That is more red. Not quite, but it's getting better. Okay, so now, pour this in our pan. Oh my goodness, I love this 2-ingredient fudge. It is so delicious. All right. Now, this is just an optional step. You don't have to. These Jet Puff marshmallows are so fun. And then, let's see, what sprinkles should I use? Maybe these ones? And, all those have green. So let's also use some glitter dust. Oh shoot, I should have dusted it before I put on the marshmallows. No, it's okay. We'll just add a few more marshmallows on top. Okay, and then we're just gonna pat that down. All right, we're gonna let this set up in the refrigerator. Oh, fun! That turned out so cute. I am so excited. A few more sprinkles over there. Okay, so now if you're doing this and you want the sprinkle dust, I would do it before you put on your stuff. But that's okay. All right, we're gonna put this in the fridge and let it set up.